breaking free from Google's search monopoly. Have you ever felt like you're trapped in an endless loop of the same search results? Like there's a whole world of information out there, but Google just keeps showing you a bunch of sponsored ads. Well, my fellow digital nomads, it's time to break free from that search bubble. Why your search engine choice matters in 2025. As someone who's navigated through 13 countries while working remotely, I've learned something crucial. Relying on just one search engine is like exploring a new city with a blindfold on. Here at the Digital Nomad Institute, we've spent countless hours testing and analyzing 24 alternative search engines to bring you the absolute best options for your digital lifestyle. The search engine landscape has evolved dramatically. We're no longer limited to just one giant tech company dictating our online experience. Whether you're researching your next remote work destination, looking for secure ways to handle client data, or diving deep into market research, there's a specialized search engine designed specifically for your needs. Top alternative search engines that will change your digital life. Perplexity AI, your AI research assistant. Let's start with my personal favorite, Perplexity AI. Imagine having a brilliant research assistant who never sleeps. That's what you get here. It doesn't just list links, it synthesizes information, provides direct answers, and even cites its sources. Perfect for when you're crafting that client presentation at 3 a.m. in your Bali co-working space. DuckDuckGo, your privacy guardian. For all my privacy-conscious nomads out there, DuckDuckGo is your new best friend. No tracking, no personal data collection, no filter bubble. When you're handling sensitive client information or researching business strategies, this is your go-to platform. Plus, their bang commands are a game changer for quick, specific searches. You.com, your personalized search companion. You.com is like having a search engine that adapts to your digital nomad lifestyle. Need developer documentation? There's an app for that. Looking for creative inspiration? Switch to the creative mode. Its AI-powered features understand context, making it incredibly efficient for remote workers who value their time. Brave Search, the independent pioneer. Brave Search is the rebel of search engines. Built on its own index, it delivers results without relying on tech giants. It's perfect for finding those hidden gems, whether it's a local co-working space or an off-the-beaten-path destination that mainstream search engines might miss. Wolfram Alpha, your data powerhouse. For my data-driven nomads, Wolfram Alpha is pure gold. Need to analyze market trends, convert currencies, solve complex calculations? This computational engine gives you direct, detailed answers. It's like having a mathematical genius and data analyst in your pocket. Revolutionize your online search experience. The key isn't choosing just one alternative. It's about building your personal search engine toolkit. Use Perplexity AI for in-depth research, DuckDuckGo for private searches, and Wolfram Alpha for data analysis. Think of it as your digital nomad Swiss Army knife. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite alternative search engine? Drop a comment below sharing your experiences. Are you using any of these tools already? How have they transformed your remote work routine? If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community at the Digital Nomad Institute. We're constantly discovering and sharing new tools to enhance your digital nomad journey. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest finds. Remember, in today's digital age, having the right tools isn't just about convenience. It's about freedom, efficiency, and taking control of your online experience. Until next time, keep exploring the digital frontier.